Everyone, check out your grammar book. Open page number 19. Open page number 19. We have done exercise A and B in last class. So today we'll do exercise C, C part. Write down today's date. Write down today's date, everyone. 7.7.21. Wednesday. Classwork. Page number 19. Page number 19. So we have done adjectives. So what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. They describe a noun. They give you more information about noun. They tell you about the color, size, shape, quantity, and special qualities of a noun. So in the C part, you have to underline the adjectives. You have to find out the adjectives. So who is going to tell me the first one? First one is already done for you. I went to watch a new film last night. So in this sentence, the word new is an adjective. Now the second one, Krishang, the pink seashells are pretty. The pink seashells are pretty. So find out the adjectives.
Ma'am, I have 2 doubts.
Okay, first of all, tell me the answer, then I'll clear your doubt also. Okay.
Pink and pretty are adjective.
Correct answer. Pink and pretty are adjectives. After completing the C part, Krishang, I will solve your query. Okay? Just give me a few minutes. Shivansh, third sentence. The cat sat on the tall fence.
Ma'am, tall is an adjective.
Correct. Tall is an adjective. Correct answer. Shivang, mute yourself. Charvi, fourth one. Meher was happy to meet her brother.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Meher was happy to meet. What? Which is an adjective?
Happy.
Happy. Happy is an adjective. Okay. Now, Lavitra, tell me the next one. Govind is a generous man. Generous. Yes, generous is an adjective. Correct answer. Next part. What you are doing? You are playing with something. Pat, you will tell me the last one. The lights were bright. The lights were bright.
Ma'am, bright.
Correct answer. Bright. So everyone underline pink, pretty, tall, happy, generous, bright. Underline these words. Done? You all have done? Okay. Now, come to page number 20. Open page number 20. Move to page number 20. Write down today's date on page number 20. All of you write down date on page number 20. Until the time I'll solve Kishang's query also. So let's start D part. D part. Complete these sentences with adjectives from the box. Friendly, stormy, beautiful, chocolate, dirty, heavy. So you have to fill the blanks with these options. Which one is the correct one? You have to find out. Now, Kaina, first one is already done for you. Aman bought a beautiful vase from the shop. Kaina, we got a dash cake for his birthday.
Ma'am, chocolatey.
Chocolate cake. Yes, chocolate. We'll write chocolate here. We got a chocolate cake for his birthday.
Okay, ma'am.
Mute yourself. Write down chocolate, everyone. Next is for Ishan. The boxes were dashed with books.
The boxes were heavy with books.
Yes, the boxes were heavy. So write down heavy here.
Ma'am, can I mute?
Yes, beta, mute yourself. Kindly mute yourself after giving the answer. In second, you will write chocolate. In third, you will write heavy. Okay, the next one. Now the next one. Our neighbor Shilpa is very dash. Our neighbor Shilpa is very dash. Urav.
Ma'am, friendly.
Friendly. Okay. Our neighbor Shilpa, she's very friendly. Correct. So write down friendly in fourth. Friendly. Write down friendly. Okay, now the next one. Harsh, you will tell me the next one. It was a dash night when Rohit arrived.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. It was a dash night when Rohit arrived.
Coffee.
Yes. Yes, Stormy. Correct answer. Mute yourself now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Write down Stormy. The sofa is very dash. It has dust all over it. Kaina.
मैम मेरी टर्न हो गई थी.
Okay, you have given the answer. Okay, mute yourself. Now next from here, Ishant has also given me the answer. Meshi, you will tell me the answer.
Ma'am, dirty.
Dirty. Correct answer. Dirty. Write down dirty. The sofa is very dirty. Mute yourself, Mishi.
Okay, ma'am.
In second, you will write chocolate. The boxes were very heavy with books. Our neighbor Shilpa is very friendly. In fifth, you will write, it was a stormy night when Rohit arrived. So what do you mean by stormy? It means strong winds and unusually rain, thunder, lightning, or snow. The sofa is very dirty. Done, you all have done. Arush, you have done. Done. Ujjwal, you have done. Okay, good, you all have done. Now let's do the next part. E part. Make sentences of your own with the given adjectives and read them aloud in the class. So you will do this yourself. You will do this yourself. So make sentences. Let's do the E part. Make sentences of your own with the given adjective. Strong. Strong. What is the meaning of strong? What do you mean by strong? It means powerful. Someone having the power to move heavy weight. So a strong wind This one is already done for you. A strong wind blows before the storm. Second one, eager. You have to make a sentence with eager. Now, what do you mean by eager? It means you have some want of doing something, strongly wanting to do something. You want to do strongly, you have that want to do something. So, she is eager to learn something new. She is eager to learn something new today. Next is calm. What do you mean by calm? What is the meaning of calm? Calm means not showing or feeling nervousness or angry. It means you have patience, you are calm. So you will make a sentence. The city is calm again. The city is calm again, or you can say, I am very calm. Next is useful, something that is very useful. He has a useful gift, or you can say laptops or computers are very useful. Rare. Rare means, what do you mean by rare? Any one of you, can you tell me the meaning of rare? That is not happening very often, which is very rare, which happen very rare. Any situation or any event that happened very rare, not happen very regularly, very often. So very rare. This is a rare diseases. This is a very rare disease. So you can say this is a rare disease, or any kind you can write. Any sentence you can write. Strict. She is a strict teacher. She is a strict teacher. So you have to do this yourself. You will write these sentences yourself. You have to write your own sentences. So this is your homework. You will do this in homework. Write down HW, everyone. Write down HW, everyone. Homework here. Write down HW. And now take out a paper, everyone, for the activity. I told you to keep one paper. Take out one drawing sheet, any blank paper, A4 size sheet. This you will do in homework. Take out one drawing sheet, everyone. Everyone take out a blank sheet, drawing sheet, any sheet you have, any rough paper you have, take out. Now you have to draw a picture. Draw a picture of any picture you have to draw. You can draw flowers, you can draw hut, you can draw cat, you can draw the picture of a boy. Draw any picture. See, can you see here? See my page. Can you see this? I have made a cat. Here I have made flowers. Now here I have made a boy. And here I have made a tree. So you can make anything on the paper. Draw anything on the paper. Any picture on the paper. Then after that, you have to write adjectives. You have to write 4 adjectives for that picture. See, I have made flowers here. I have made flowers here. So I have written red, 2 beautiful small flowers, beautiful flowers, 2 flowers, red flowers. So you have to write one word, 4 adjectives for the picture you will draw. Okay, so Trisha has done. She made, show me again, Trisha. Show me on the screen. She made a tree. And what adjectives you have written, Trisha? Please unmute yourself and What adjectives you have written, Trisha? Wait a minute, wait a minute. Yes, Trisha, unmute yourself.
Big, tall,
Big, tall,
heavy,
heavy,
green,
and green. Very nice, Trisha. So Trisha has made a tree and she has written big, tall, heavy, green. So who else has done? Ishant, you have done. Ishant, show me on the screen. Ishant, show me on the screen what you have made. Ball. It's a ball? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell me the adjectives you have written for this ball.
New,
Yes.
one,
Yes.
round,
Round. One more. New. Round.
new,
One.
round, one, and blue.
Blue. Very nice. Very nice. Very good. Spotlight. Okay, Krishank, show me. Okay, huge, colorful, one, or beautiful. You have written wrong spelling of beautiful. It's Beautiful. Correct the spelling of beautiful. Okay. Good, Krishank.
Red, small,
Small,
brown,
brown,
and green.
green. Okay, brown and so
Miss,
very good. You all
okay.
have done the activity. Now it's time to play the quiz. So are you all excited to play the quiz? Yes. So this quiz will be related to adjectives. I'm sharing my screen. I'll share the link also in the chat box. So quickly you will do the quiz. Okay. So now check your chat box. I'm sharing the link of the quiz in the chat box. I have sent the link. Join everyone quickly for the quiz. And let's see who will be the winner of the quiz today. Join the quiz, everyone. I'm starting the quiz. Yes, you are not doing. Don't take help from your parents. Do it yourself. You have only 5 minutes, so do it quickly. Let's see who are the winners. Kaina Charvi is first, Vidisha is second, and Kaina is third. And Krishank, Trisha, Parth, Shivansh, Anushka, Zaid, Abid, Ashi, Harsh, Arush, Vidisha, Ishant, Lavitra, Urav, Adnan, Vidisha, Ujwal. These are The one who scored more than 90%. So you have done very well.